morning, America, and good evening, India. Here is some breaking news. Beijing's ambitious Belt and Road Initiative, that is called BRI, held by Pakistan and supported through the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, that is called CPEC, has reportedly hit a new roadblock. The Mainline 1 ML1 is the biggest project under CPEC worth $6.8 billion. Under MLI1, a 2,655 kilometer railway line will connect Karachi in the south to Peshawar in the north of Pakistan. Federal Minister for Railways Sheikh Rashid Ahmed said that the project will revolutionize the railway service in Pakistan. Dawn had reported last month. He added that the project will create 150,000 jobs and a significant surge in the freight business after completion of the ML1 project. Meanwhile, China is not keen on the 1% interest rate on the loan demanded by Islamabad for financing the project. Reportedly, the project is financed jointly by Beijing and Islamabad, where Pakistan will invest 10% of the project cost as security and China will extend 90% in the form of a loan under CPEC. The execution of the project shall be in 3 packages, and in order to avoid commitment charges, the loan amount for each package will be separately contracted. The council had said to remain in line with debt's sustainability guidelines of the International Monetary Fund (IMF). Under phase 1, $2.5 billion worth of work will be done, followed by the second phase for $2.7 billion and then $1.7 billion in the third phase. The project is expected to increase the line capacity from 34 to over 171 trains each way per day. The work on the first phase is scheduled to begin in January 2021. However, now with Beijing raising concerns over the interest rate, the project may get delayed. Reportedly, the Pakistan Railways have revealed that only Chinese firms are allowed to bid on the ML1 project. Under the framework agreement signed between the People's Republic of China and the Government of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, only Chinese companies consortium are eligible to participate in the bidding process, the invitation read. Experts talking to Nikkei Asia said that Beijing is using delaying tactics as it does not want to end up with a bad deal. Beijing does not want to say no to ML1. It wants to appear committed in Pakistan, but at the same time it is aware of the risky environment for Chinese investment, said Jeremy Garlick, an assistant professor at the Jan Masaryk Center of International Study at the Prague University of Economics and Business. Instead of turning down the request, China delays by offering an investment but putting up an obstacle to the final agreement to delay things, Garlick told Nikkei Asia. Border and Border Initiative, that is called BRI, launched the multi-billion-dollar CPEC program in 2015 intending to contact Southeast Asia, Central Asia, the Gulf region, Africa and Europe with a network of land and sea routes. The program was launched by Chinese President Xi Jinping. Chinese BRI has received backlash from Western countries. The US has criticized the CPEC program, saying that it is neither transparent nor cost efficient. It has further warned Pakistan that it is subjecting itself to expensive loan under Chinese BRI, through which Beijing has pledged more than $60 billion so far. However, the warning has landed on deaf ears and Islamabad has vehemently defended the program, saying that this is an opportunity for Pakistan for its economic development. Pakistan's government and the opposition have come together and repeatedly hailed CPEC as a game changer and a guarantor of a better tomorrow for the country. Its CPEC is a project.
The project
CPEC is a
financed
project that
jointly
will
by
take
Beijing
Pakistan
and
to
Islamabad,
new heights
whereby Pakistan will
of
invest
prosperity.
10% of
The
the
Prime
project
Minister
cost as
Imran Khan
equity, and
had
China
said,
will extend
adding that
90%
Pakistan
in the
should
form
learn
of a
from the
loan
world
under
economic
CPEC.
power,
The
China.
execution of the project
Analysts
shall be in
believe
three packages,
that after
and in order
learning
to
on
avoid
China for
commitment
loans,
charges,
Pakistan is
the
now
loan
left
amount for
with
each
no other
package will be
option,
separately
as the Western
contracted.
banks
The
are
council has
concerned
said
about the
to
lack
remain
of
in line
transparency
with
in
the
this Chinese
sustainability
loan.
guidelines of the
Beyond the report,
International
Posak
Monetary
TV.